Hey there, welcome back to another tutorial where we make tech easy for you. Today we're diving into how to build monorepo using Lerna JS, where you can put your multiple application in just one repository. Ready to level up your skills? Let's get started. Let's start by creating an empty folder. We'll name it Lerna Workspace. Next, navigate into the new directory. Now initialize Lerna by running the command npx lerna init. This will set up a new Git repository with npm workspaces, and Lerna will be ready to help you create, version, and publish your packages. Now open the folder we just created. Inside it, create a new directory called Packages. This Packages folder will hold all the applications managed by Lerna JS. For our first application, we'll build a front end using the Next.js framework. First, create an empty folder and navigate into it. Then, run command npx create next app to set up Next.js with default settings. This will install everything you need to get started. Now let's go back to the main directory. From here, we'll run the application using Lerna. The Next.js application is now running successfully with Lerna. You can open your browser and try accessing it at localhost port 3000. And just like that, your front-end application with Next.js is up and running. For the next part of our project, we'll build an API using Express.js. Here's what you'll do. First, create a new empty folder inside the Packages directory. Name this folder Express API. You can use hyphens or underscores. Then navigate into that folder using the terminal or your IDE. Let's set up our Express API by running npm init inside the Express API folder. This will create a new package.json file, the heart of our Node.js application. Now we'll build a simple API using Express.js that returns JSON data. This will be the backend foundation for our application. Let's add a startup script to our package.json file to run the Express API. Now let's go back to the main directory. From here, we'll run the application using Lerna. Now, two applications can run just by running one Lerna command. Now, here's the power of Lerna. With just one command, we can launch both our Next.js frontend and API using Express.js simultaneously. For our final application, we'll build a backend CMS using Vue.jS. Inside your packages directory, create a new folder called Vue Backend, then navigate into it. Let's create our Vue application by running npm create Vue. This command will set up a brand new Vue project with all the essential files and dependencies installed automatically. Just follow the prompts to configure your app. Now run npm install. This will install all of Vue.js dependencies and get your project ready for development. Now let's go back to the main directory. From here, we'll run the application using Lerna. Now here's the magic of Lerna. With just one command, npx lerna run dev, all three applications will run simultaneously in parallel. You can access each one through your browser. And just like that, we've successfully set up a full stack monorepo with 3 integrated applications in record time. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments what we should build next. Thanks for watching, happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one.